Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about a topic that's close to our hearts, skincare. Specifically, we're going to dive into the world of blackheads and how to remove them in 5 easy steps. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to remind ourselves of the importance of self-love and patience. You see, skincare is a journey, and it's not just about removing blackheads. It's about taking care of your skin, loving yourself, and being patient with the process. So let's dive in. Step 1. Start with a gentle cleanser. When it comes to blackheads, you want to make sure you're using a cleanser that won't strip your skin. Look for one that's gentle and non-abrasive. Step 2. Exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating is key to removing blackheads. It helps to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells. Just be sure to use a gentle exfoliator and not to overdo it. Step 3. Use a clay mask. Clay masks are great for absorbing excess oil and removing impurities. They can help to unclog pores and reduce the appearance of blackheads. Step 4. Try a chemical exfoliant. Chemical exfoliants can be more effective at removing blackheads than physical exfoliants. They can help to dissolve the material that's clogging your pores. Step 5. Seek professional help. If you're still struggling with blackheads, it might be time to consult a professional. A dermatologist or esthetician can help you develop a more targeted treatment plan. And there you have it, folks. 5 easy steps to help you remove those pesky blackheads. Remember, skincare is a journey, and it's important to be patient and kind to yourself along the way. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks.